Alright, and then it's in the morning, and then I have to individually put each one so I don't lose it. 23, 26, 39, 23, 26, 29, and then the next one. I also realized I can press star to record stopping and pausing and all that, which I didn't do last night at all. Good there. Alright, well, I've been building a web page on my Chromebook, but he didn't make it offline. In order to access the file, you must be on the internet. I should have said that earlier. It's just a personal project. Use a relative link. You could send me an example code. Silly me. Oh, and it's done. Jack. Alright, even further. Building a random code generator with Star Wars and the Office themes. But this guy's like, well, once they get so big, who cares? Like, man. He's like, yeah, I take that in. Most of the time, you are free to mention trademarked entities. Misshape it. Oh, there's so much more on this project. Oh, that's it. Whoa. Alright, yeah, so this guy's struggling with this code, but this is not a real code. It is just a learning code. Very important, but not exactly. Okay. Link to the challenge. Hey, look, your code is right, but you missed one thing. Thank you, Mrs. AI fucking face. So this is 2018, so the AI face wasn't there beforehand. This got closed 4 years ago anyway. So I can't add on to it and be like, hey, how would I go about, because it's why would you lock it out like that? What are you you locked out what you're teaching. I can't use this into a real world implementation. This teaches me how to build a teeny tiny car that is drivable, that has a radio. Like real coding ninjas, you gave me the handle of the knife. Alright, I'm editing. I'm also trying to talk closer to the mic. Let's see. How do you create audio after this part? It's like, what do you mean? How do you create audio? Fucking, how do you create audio? Not on Instagram. No. Why did it? No. No. What website was it on? Free Code Camp. Oh my god. So many. Here we go. No. Free Code Camp is a really good website. Looks like you're not quite following the example given in the challenge. Like, absolutely, they aren't. Testing how close it is. My mic is like right on my lips. Alright, so this is the FMS guide, but it's in a Cockney accent, and it looks proper gloomy, like, and all that fun stuff. But this has to be translated again and then rewritten. And I think doing it in a Cockney accent is really funny because there's a lot of stuff that is just like not proper. They changed everything. The DJ Cockney, DJ Cockney beats. Who does he beat? And then it's it's worldwide. That was interesting. um, in their museum, uh, they changed the royalty to a flat fee. It's not the Nature Sounds Ltd. I thought was great. Terrible, but if you try to copy and paste it, you get the notes with it. Things what people do is they just copy all of it. Oh, I don't think there's a little bit of code in there. Yeah, but exactly. And then they go, well, why doesn't it work? And so it's trying to rewrite it and using where is it at? Like this stuff. It's the same thing. Like what uses more energy? You're gonna be like, oh, this HTML page in the web browser and the web server isn't that bad, but there's still this guy's energy. 11 solutions. How do I know my cron is working or not? Okay, that issue solved myself. This solved myself. What the hell? Amazon Linux. Oh, I'm not doing that. Okay, so these backup files to signify backup copy of a file. So I think what's going on here is they're trying to run this backup and delete the old one. Yeah, remove old cron and then it gets the new one and it backs it up. And this person, he's like, hey, does this, or she's like, hey, does this work? How do I get it to make sure it's working? And this person's saying to go get a drink and check back later to see. And then, like, it doesn't help. But just checking stuff is plugged in and turned on is normally the first thing you should do. But that doesn't help at all. Okay, that issue solved myself. Yeah, you just went and got a drink about it, and oh my god, what the what? I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that they're just trying to run a backup, and they don't know if they can. They might not be able to see the backup. Oh, what? Look how many 64 days read time, 130,000 posts read. Uh, a leader. I go into one top comment or post, and then I'm gonna skim through this and figure out what it is. Okay, this is a cool thing, but it's $40 a month, and then if I need the team, 215 a year, or for a year, 235 a year per month, 40. You get a lot of stuff though. That's cool. Uh, yeah, my bookmark list asks for grace. My alarm's going off because I have therapy. Where's my phone at? I should stop bookmarking so many things. Or people. Stop making me find out things I want to explore. The power of knowledge. And that's from the staff itself. This whole team, not all of them, they don't represent all of it. Like, you Or last seen 23 minutes ago. It's all blurry back there. You can't even see what books they are. That's 500,000 posts read. Learn outage. Oh, that's crazy. Learn issues with Code Road extension. Your code so far. What's going on with this? Tell us what's happening. I'm not able to open the Code Road. But I found this. I can see that Code Road is deleted. Make a new workspace. Oh, the same thing happens to me. How do I continue from here? I am lost. How do I continue from here? How did you arrive there? Well, tell us what's happening. Have you tried creating a new workspace? So the same thing happens with the next lesson. Get pod workspace, freecodecamp.org. I found this in the source control window. Some important information was deleted. Hey everyone, thanks for the report and digging into this. Unfortunately, upon some changes I made, the tutorials are unable to load. I should have processed. Hi, I set up the local environment according to the instructions. Some more code. I found a workaround. This is, we're getting there. Like many others, there's run the cache. It's important to know progress can be lost. Maybe there's some context that I missed. Thanks for digging this. There's some more issues. These steps don't work in WSL. Hey everyone, the problem with the build a boilerplate project. Thank you. It was the solution for me, but I use only 5 steps of your method, and I followed the instructions from FreeCodeCamp, inserted the URL in the corresponding field, and it worked. Updates, everything worked, and then it worked. Thank you for the shout out. Okay, we're still working around this issue. It would be great if someone created a pin doc in the archived course to help out everyone using the course since this topic keeps getting buried. More than a month later, and I'm still having to go and find this for people. Wish there was a pin post that people can find. October, and we're still working on this issue. All right. Oh, wait, look at this. And then it has this interactive thing a little bit. Now it's not cold anymore. The way that this wraps around is really cool. This worked out so much better than I anticipated. Well, you don't need the lantern anymore. Yeah, he's looking for a lantern.